Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, right here, what you see in the pot, I have a roast in there. This is a chuck roast right here. I have bell pepper. No, I don't have a bell pepper. I have, let me see if I can show you. I have two whole onion cut up. I have some thyme in there. I have some garlic in there. And I have some jalapeno pepper. And the season on there is just simply salt and pepper lightly. And this is the red stuff you see in there is that homemade taco season that I made up. And I don't even know what I'm making. I'm just putting something together, okay, in this time of need. I hope everybody stays safe out there, and please prepare yourself. I went to the store. I can show you a little some of the stuff I got over here. This is not a haul. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so that's the light that's on. So I've been shopping. I barely got food right here. Okay, just a few little things that I got. I had bought some of those a couple of days ago, which those are pancake, Jimmy Dean pancake sausage. That's what I got right there. Let me take you back over here. Let's see what I get. I got some meat I put it in the freezer right here. Okay, these is some beef hot dogs right there. I bought, came from GFS, matter of fact. These is like a 10-pound bag beef, ground beef right there. And these are like some meatballs right here that I bought. Some Bob Evans, some hot Polish sauces, pizza rolls, and stuff like that of that nature. Okay, the camera died on me. So anyway, yeah, I got some these things right here, some burritos. These things like $1 at Walmart and stuff. So yeah, pretty much, you know, got some sausage, turkey legs, and some gyro meat back there. The beef. What is them things back there? I think they the beef short ribs and stuff that I was supposed to be doing a video on. Some chicken, about 3 or 4 of those back there. And you know, just some vegetables and stuff like that of that nature, you know. So just make sure you pack up, but shop smart, please guys. Do not go out there and just buying up everything. You know, be courteous to the next person, because it took me a whole week just to come up with this. But anyway, saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up, and I guess I can tell you what it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be, really. I'm just making up something. Hopefully it's going to be a sandwich, or make some taco meat out of it, or some shredded taco meat or something. I don't know. So let's stay tuned in. Matter of fact, we might do some taco meat or something with some corn shells or something like that. Let's see if we got any of those, guys. Look up in this cabinet real quick. I got a little bit. Not a lot. A little bit. Make some authentic tacos. I still got shells, so I'm not worried about it. So I got a little of those. I'm quite sure I can get some more of those. Ain't nobody too much trying to buy that. And also, guys, if you want to, you guys can buy you some bread. See, I got a cabinet full of stuff. This stuff right here, and make your own bread. I'm gonna show you guys how to make that one day. Okay, because there's been a shortening of bread. So yeah. So this is how my cabinet look. I keep my stuff stacked. So you guys may want to do the same thing, but be courteous to everybody else. This ain't just in one day. I go periodically to the stores. Okay. There we go. So anyway, yeah. So saying that to say this, I'll see you guys when this stuff gets done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I forgot to show you. I add 2.5 cups of water, which I add a teaspoon of beef base. That's what you see right here. I mixed it up. That was just at the bottom, and I poured it in here, and that's all we're gonna do to this. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Much love to you. Okay, guys, I am back. Okay, remember I had that chuck roast that I was cooking up? This is that. This is the day later, so I just put it in the refrigerator, and this is what that looks like. And I warmed it up. So this is what that is. And I did sprinkle a little bit more of the, probably a little teaspoon of the homemade taco seasoning that I used. If you guys would know how I did the taco seasoning, you guys go look that up. Hopefully I can put that at the bottom. Anyway, these is flour tortillas right here, and these are corn right here, okay? So we're gonna do those. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and do this pico de gallo. Right here, I already got, let's see, a quarter cup of cilantro and a quarter cup of parsley. All right. So, and this is one I'm not doing bell pepper. This is one pepper, jalapeno. I'm just gonna put that in there. Here's the tomatoes. Just gonna put those in there. I'm gonna mix this up. Just like so. Here's some salt. Put that in there. This is a quarter teaspoon of that. I'm not gonna put all of that in there. I'm gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna squeeze some of this lime in here, like a quarter of that. We're just gonna go ahead and give a half of it. I do have a squeezer. I'm just showing you guys just in case you don't have one. Okay? And I want you guys to please stay safe out there, because it's rough time for everybody. So while you locked up in the house, these are some of these meals right here that you guys can do. You can use some leftover chuck roast or whatever you got, and just go from there. So I'm going to mix this up. Now, you didn't see me put the onions in here because someone wants some. They got mad at me last time. You know who you are. But yes, you do want to put the onions in here if you guys eat onions in your household. So what I could do is do this. That's what I will do. Put them some to the side just like so. Just like that. Then I'll come in here with my onions. Since I'm not using, this is a half an onion. Okay guys, I am back. My other camera had died on me, so I'm using the new camera. Alright. My daughter showed me how to use it, so we're working diligently for you guys. So what I did here was I just chopped up well no, it was actually 1 clove of garlic and put it in here. And I also want to add a splash. A splash of red wine vinegar. Just a splash. Just like that. Put a little bit over here so they won't cry. Okay? And that's about it. So if you guys comment down below, tell me how do you like this camera better than the other one. The other one is the TX6, Canon Rebel TX6, and this one is a Canon M50. I don't know if you guys know the difference. Let me see if I can see the focus. You know, when I'm trying to show you guys how the food look close up. Do it look good? It don't look good? Okay,
Because
hold
it's
on.
not automatic focus. But if you put it there, put it back on there, I'll focus it to it.
Oh, no, no.
Close, yeah, you can do it closer. And then I'll focus it back on the regular.
Oh, don't worry about it right now. We just working with it right now. So I appreciate you though. We're just gonna go ahead and go with this meat right here. Show you how to do one of these. Just put some meat on here. So, you know, that's all the meat you get right there. These are like street tacos pretty much. So my kid's been waiting since yesterday for this, so I have to put it out. So yeah, that's all you want to do. Put your little shredded beef on here. A little quick, easy meal to make. If I can do it, guys, you can do it. Trust and believe. Get this piece right here. This piece of the what's that? The thyme, fresh thyme I had on there. So that's what you want to do right here. Get you some cheese. Put your little cheese on there, just like so. Really easy. Just like that. Take you some of this Pico De Gallo. Put you a little of that on there. Now if you want some sour cream, you can put that on there also. Okay. And I take a little of these green onions, just throw a little bit of those on there. A couple of these sport peppers, you put a couple of those on there. You want a little bit more heat to it. And those right here, I'm just going to slide them over here. See how quick you can make a meal up real quick? Not going to be able to fit all four of them on there, so that's that one. Okay, those are corn. Put that to the side. Put that over there till I get to it. Alright. So, here's the flour tortillas. We go with 3 of these also. Get us some meat, like so. So I'm going to figure this camera out. We will figure it out because it's supposed to automatic adjust. So we will figure that one out. Alright, get us a little Pico De Gallo. Oh no, we got to go with the cheese, don't we? Put some cheese on there. Just like that. A little Pico De Gallo. I should have made a lot of this, huh? Alright. We're going to slide that. Well, hold on. We got to get the green onions. Just like that. Put sports pepper. These sports peppers are super good. Alright. Slide them over here. I hope you guys make these recipes. I'm telling you, is super delicious. Okay, and that's that one. Now if you guys want some sour cream, like I said before, get you some sour cream, put on there, and you'll be winning. Alright, let me get this stuff over here. Clean up my mess. Throw that away. That's over here. Put that one right there. Move that over here. Right there. See if you guys can see that. You got your little hot saucy right there. Zoom in on it. I'll be right back in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This is the thumbnail right there. So guys, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And please hit that bell so you too could be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And please stay safe out there. And thank you for watching. See you guys in a minute.